when it comes to looking at the charts, just know that the line will only give you the open and the close. It won't give you the high and the low. That's what the candles do with the wicks. So if we were just to do a quick demonstration with these candles here, close, at least for the green candle, was here, and then the open for the red candle was here. So if we was to draw this line at the open, then we can see that there's some other information here with this wick. And if we switch over to the line, we won't see that information. Since the open and the close of these two candles are essentially the same, I'm not going to move them. So we can see that the price stops right at that point because that is the close. And up here, we have a point here because that is the open. So like I said, it's just cool to flip back and forth between the two, so that way you get an understanding of what is happening.